Welcome to Wall Street Sizing Up. We're the only channel that helps you profit off the insider knowledge of the hedge fund bros. Today, ARK Invest and Cathie Wood, once again, we're talking about her 7 actively managed ETFs. Now, every day she sends out buys and sells, and so we packaged all those up on this Friday, and we're going to give you her largest buys and her largest sells, right? To give you a sense of where she thinks the market's at, to give you a sense of where her head's at, right? So these could be stocks to watch for you on Monday. Jake, hit the theme, and let's go to work. And we're off. See on the screen there, ARK Invest, it's ark-funds.com is where you find this. So just a quick refresher of what ARK does. Again, it's got 7 actively managed funds, from innovation to internet to robotics to biotech, right? So here's kind of what she looks for as far as Cathie Wood. ARK seeks to identify the true market potential of innovative companies. That's step 1. Then she tries to, on step 2, ARK works to recognize firms that will cross the chasm to large, rapid growth. She looks for growth companies is basically what that says. Then they also look for platforms that have the innovation to cut across all sectors for maximum potential upside. And number 4, for more mature companies, she looks for reinvesting in future opportunities and identify possible disruptors. So this is their website. Again, you can sign up for her daily trades. Again, she's very transparent, so I thought that's very, very cool. You can see her there. That is Cathie Wood. I do want to. So ARK, so this is just one. Again, she's got 7. This is just one. I'm just showing one on the screen. ARK K, which is her ARK Innovation ETF. It's up 123 for the year. ARK G is her ARK Genomic Revolution, or her ARK Biotech ETF is what it is. And in that, she's up almost 150 for the year. So we're going to go quickly. I'm going to just tell you the sells. There are many reasons why a company or a person would sell, right? It could be taxes. It could be that they don't believe in the company. It could be multiple reasons. They just want to take some profits, right? So there's a lot of reasons why people sell, but there's only one reason why people buy, and that is to make money, period, full stop. So here are the sells, and then we'll go to the big buys. So the big sell that Cathie Wood has had this week, the one that I saw that was very interesting, Pinterest. She sold 1 million shares, or just over 1 million shares. Next up is Syros Pharmaceuticals, CYRS is that ticker. 1,100 shares, right? 1,100 shares she sold there. She did sell some Tesla. That looks like she might be maybe taking some profit there, because she's been in Tesla for a long time, and I know for a fact that she's got a $1 billion position there. So she's probably just taking some profit. 200,000 shares of Tesla she sold. Snap. She sold almost 200,000 shares. Square, kind of a strange buy here. I guess she didn't like the earnings or whatever it may be. I don't know where her head's at here, because crypto's going nuts. Congratulations to all you Bitcoiners out there. Last time I looked, it was 15.5. I know it's gone to 15.9, so it can clearly break 16,000, which would be the highest that it's ever, or the second highest that it's ever been. She sold 600,000 shares of Square. And then finally, she sold Dayu International. That's a Chinese company. DOYU is the ticker. She sold 1.7 million shares. Now let's go to the buys. These are more important, right? The only reason you buy is to make money. Remember that. EXAS is Exact Sciences Corp. She bought right at 700,000 shares this week, and we're in a bull market now. A lot of these were bought probably the first of the week, right? But we can't name a president, but the market's going up, right? I think the market was up literally like 10+% this week. So again, Exact Sciences Corp, she bought 700,000 shares, or right at it. PayPal, loved PayPal. Again, a crypto play. She bought 700,000 shares. That's PYPL. She bought 700,000 shares. Again, PayPal is now going to offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and numerous cryptos that you can buy and sell, and that you can even transact with. thought that was cool. I think that news came out about 2 weeks ago. Slack, she bought 800,000 shares. The ticker there is WORK, WORK. Teladoc, she continues to love this Teladoc. I'm not sure, but again, she's a very smart woman. She almost bought 370,000 shares of TDOC. That's TDOC. And then Tencent. Tencent is, I've heard of them. I just wanted to make sure I knew what they were. So that's TCEHY. TCEHY is the ticker. They own WeChat. They own Tencent Music. And they are doing quite well. Again, one of the top Chinese companies on the market. She bought 500,000 shares, right at 500,000 shares. Also thought a very interesting buy was Spotify. She bought 200,000 shares of Spotify. Pretty cool. And then finally, she bought a oldie but goodie. That would be Honeywell. That's HON. HON is the ticker. She only bought 21,000 shares, but I really thought this was an interesting buy. One is, this is a very, compared to the companies that she's investing in, this is a very old company. This company's been around since the 80s, at least, probably going back to the 70s. They make electronics for the airline, cybersecurity, drones, so on and so forth. So I just thought that was an interesting buy. Only 21,000 shares. So with that, guys, I hope you learned a few things. You know where Cathie Wood's head's at, and maybe you see some stocks to buy or stocks to watch for next Monday. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next week. Cheers. Well, good day, good evening, and whatever time it may be. We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please hit the like or the subscribe or leave a comment, because we love that feedback. And you know what we say. At the casino, you got to watch your six, and you go hard in the paint, guys. Cheers. We'll see you next time.